sex workers, and another will be working for
Tea garden levels
no,
or what we have
floating
decided?
sex
Floating
workers.
sex workers.
Under these two projects, we are planning that we will be working through the other organizations who are basically working with HIV/AIDS because they have access to this sort of people, this sort of excluded group, that the brothel-based sex workers and floating sex workers. So what we are planning, one of our contribution towards these HIV/AIDS related organization will be how they should treat and manage the patient suffering from HIV/AIDS and related to us. You get my point? So we plan that we'll be sitting with them. It is already planned. We kept some budget aside, and we'll be working with this particular organization, and we'll try to find some guidance, guidelines, books or whatever, booklets for them that how to manage the patients on HIV/AIDS. And I'm very much appreciative. I will be appreciating if Shamim comes up with some of the idea of research, how we can do it better. Because I already kept some money aside. I have preliminary idea, and you can come up with it.
That's why actually we had been discussing, right?
So
if we have
if-
similar kind of study.
If this study can be designed in a way that similar kind of activities can be done across the region, I find it.
Exactly. That's what
I
we
got
wanted to
money.
do. Exactly.
That's
I'm just
what-
thinking,
and
I
you
mean,
need only
whether
money.
we are already
That's
flooded
the
with
reason.
some.
I think we need some more.
Everybody,
directors.
if money is there,
Yeah. I think we need some more directors like Asin, who really knows the public health perspective on it. You know, this is quite.
your concern is already taken.
But there
Yeah, it's already
Again,
taken. But you know, the priority in the health sector, if you look at the investment from the health sector side, they are more tend to invest on the
Curative,
immunization.
yeah.
They are more
Then-
focused on the HIV/AIDS,
Yeah.
TB, malaria, whatnot. If we can, draw their attention on it, because ultimately we are serving for the same people, you know. The HIV/AIDS people, they are also part of the country, you know. Once we serve them,
Yeah.
from the ENI perspective, we are also in better position to say that, okay, these are the people excluded, these are the people stigmatized, we address through us. And these people, from the HIV/AIDS perspective, they are there. And they can also think that, okay, in the home care based messages, we also need to build in some of the WAS messages.
And one thing to think is that in case of Bangladesh, one of the target group is sex workers who are very much prone to HIV/AIDS. But there is other segment who are the customer, client of
Exactly,
this,
exactly.
and we cannot access them through our program. So what we will be doing, based on experience of handling this section of people, what we will be developing that how to manage the HIV patients, that will be building help to build the capacity of HIV/AIDS related organizations so that they can treat the unattended or who we cannot reach directly.
Exactly.
Once the capacity of those
The main thing is
organizations are
the main
built,
problem is like
kind of-
prioritizing all these issues because we are planning to have kind of research ideas in that sex worker project, but still just think about it. From equity and inclusion perspective, we have already started 3 different studies. I mean, like in case of Nepal, HIV is getting the first priority, perhaps, but we have started 2 researches on child rights in Bagmara, Rajshahi. We are also planning to start a study on the Chittagong hill tracts women who are struggling with collecting water in mainland and in the hill tracts areas. So 3 studies already on board. So we actually can tag in with other organizations like Operajamal or some of them that, okay, you start up the process, we will be tagging in and we will be giving our inputs from water sanitation perspective, and then you will give your perspective from disease burden, and then we can collaborate and also can have a regional initiative.
Exactly.
That's what we can do.